The industrial sector is changing very fast and needs to ensure that professionals are updated with the required skills and competencies. Industry 4.0 is increasing the pressure for innovation, and the utilization is a key driver for performance and upskilling. Can you imagine how much it would cost to train the millions of welders that the industry needs in the next few years? Traditional welding training has not evolved and is still inefficient, costly, polluting, and dangerous. So, do you prefer to remain anchored in the past? Soldamatic is a patented, state-of-the-art, proven, effective, and proprietary augmented reality-based training solution powered by HyperReal Sim, an exclusive, trademarked feature that provides the most realistic welding training experience aside from real welding. By using Soldamatic simulation training, you can get more well-trained welders faster. Soldamatic has shown to increase the number of certified welders by 34%, while also decreasing actual welding lab training time required by 56%. But moreover, you'll be saving more than 68% in your workshop costs and reduce accidents by more than 84%. In conclusion, you need to know that one single welding machine consumes the same electricity as 20 Soldamatic. So, what are you waiting for to take your welding to the next level? Contact your distributor today.